Okay, I did this little mod. If you can see that piece of Velcro there. And I've got Velcro on the bottom. Now the idea is, if I can go for a boot around without it falling off the dash, and it's recording me and the side window, so I can pull it off my shirt, connect it to my dash with the Velcro, and you can see all this in case I get pulled over by an officer. And it's just a quick stick me. So let's crank the air up, because it's like, I don't know, 110 today. I even bought a furry to go across the microphone because I noticed there was wind. It'll probably stop a lot of the wind more than likely. So I go for a boot, and I'm hitting the brakes extra hard on purpose to see if this thing comes off my dash. Going across a lot of bumps. Seems to be working okay. I'll open the window and see if any wind noise affects it, since I've got that microphone cover across the top of it. And again, the air is blaring. I'm going to turn the air off. There's no air whatsoever. Now it's just the window opening. And I'm booting around town with this thing. Now with the microphone muff on the front, it should cut down on the wind. It was kind of a pain to put on. When I put it on, I had to trim it around the lens because the microphone is so close to the lens. I wish the microphone was a little bit further where we could attach this and we'd get much better audio when it's windy. Alright, now I'm going to put the window up. Man, it's hot. My truck says 100 degrees. Man. Turn the air back on. Okay. See, my truck's already got a camera pointing out the front. And that protects me in case I get into an accident and somebody comes across the line or hits me head on and then tries to lie. Having a camera on your dash in today's day and age is a must. I don't care what anybody says. This body cam, which I plan to wear all the time, I wore it on my front here, and basically it was recording the steering wheel. It wasn't even recording the speedometer. I just sit too low, I guess. So I thought, well, ideally it would have been nice if I could have recorded the speedometer in case I ever got accused of going too fast. But I wanted to be recording me and my window here right now. And I'm rubbing my hand there to see what I see. So basically, it'll record the audio of the police officer and me on video with interaction. And that's what that'll do. I'm not quite sure how I'd get the speedometer back here, maybe above my head. I'm not sure. I'd have to look into that more. But the way I've got this set up now, I've got the dash cam shooting out in front of me. I've got the body cam, which I can pull off my shirt, Velcro it to my dash, and be recording the opposite way of me and whoever I interact with. And that's awesome. More angles I can record, the safer the position it puts me in. So this little camera, for what it cost, is turning out to be its weight in gold. Because you have to understand that this camera can record for, well, on the highest setting, probably 7 or 8 hours. And that's ideal. Now I could hang it off the paracord on my mirror pointing out, so when I'm not in the truck, because when I turn my truck off, my dash cam shuts off because it's connected to the battery of my truck. So when I turn the vehicle off, I could have the camera pointing out when I go in to get something to eat or something like that. And I'm still recording even when I'm not in the vehicle. Okay, this was a test to see how it would run by sitting on my dash with the Velcro. And I'll have a link to the bottom to the Velcro I'm running off of it. I had to cut it with the scissors. And the microphone muff I'm using to attach to this body cam. It was tricky putting that microphone muff on, I'll tell you right now. When you get it on, you lose a little part of the corner of the video, but I took the scissors and I trimmed around that one part and got it back. I mean, if it's even clipping a tiny bit, that's not a big deal to have the audio back in condition. And like I said, right now this air conditioning is going full blast. I don't have any idea how it's going to sound. So, we're actually going to find out. Alright, I'll catch you guys later as I do more mods and more testing with this camera. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.